What is authorpreneurship? It's a term growing in popularity and is the counter to the belief of many authors that if you write it, they will read it. If you and I are going to become successful authors, it's going to take more than writing, and more writing. Many have said that the writing is the easy part, and for most, it's true. Yes, you're going to have to write and keep writing. Yes, you're going to have to figure out the non-writing stuff. And yes, you're going to have to love on your audience and genuinely care about them. But becoming a successful author is a decision. It's not luck. Why did you start writing? Some write purely for the passion of writing. They write for themselves with little thought or care as to who else might see it. Others want to reach readers and know that they've been touched by our words. There is no greater feeling than knowing that something you created has had an emotional impact on another being. So why did you start writing? When you make the decision to be a successful author, you take control. You're not leaving things to chance, and you decide how success is defined for you. If someone else's definition of success is to write solely for themselves with little regard to reach and impact, that's totally fine. But don't feel bad if your definition is different. You're just playing a different game. Being a successful author is not defined by the number of stories you've written. Being a successful author is staying intensely focused on your reason for writing in the first place.